if you compare this social media post to this social media post, which one actually looks better for you? Which one attracts more attention? For me, it is when you have an emoji that is native to the app or a Mac emoji. I feel like immediately it gets more attention. And even if I wanted to get even more attention, I would probably make it look a little bit like I created it on Instagram. So I would change the fonts for Instagram fonts if I'm posting it on Instagram Reels, and I would change the fonts to TikTok fonts if I'm posting on TikTok. Anyways, in this video, I want to show you how to actually have this emoji, because if I try to download this image right here, let me just show you very quickly how it will look like. It's not really gonna download the emoji. So I see the emoji on Canva, and then on later when I download the image and I click on it, this is how it looks like. It just has a square instead of the emoji. So what can you do? One of the things you can do is you can click this emoji or add any other emoji that you want. So basically I'm just using text and then I'm using my keyboard on Mac to add them. Either way. And then you can make this a little bigger. And if I download like this, then I have the square. But if I make a screenshot of this, maybe let's make it without the lines. So let's make sure it's like that. And if I add a new one over here, and then I'm gonna change the background so you can see better what's going on. Now I can click on this, edit image, and remove the background, and it creates the emoji for me exactly the same way as it would look like on Mac. Now after this, I'm gonna click apply, and then I'm gonna remove the background, and then I would just download this as a transparent PNG. For this, you do need Canva Pro, but if you don't have Canva Pro, you can go to this website and remove the background. There's also, I want to share with you that there are some Facebook elements that I like to use. For example, this one looks nice to me. It's pretty similar to the actual emoji, so I feel like it is nice. But for the most part, I do it like that. Or I recently found an even better method, which is to go to this website over here, and then you just copy the emoji. You select it and then make sure you copy image, and after that I'm just gonna create a new page, paste, and then I can just use this emoji as I want on my designs, and it's not gonna download as a square, it's gonna download as a real emoji. If you have any questions whatsoever, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.